It's really nice. It's windy. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's gonna rain, I think. It's gonna rain. Okay, now let's start making Pokora. Piyazi Pokora. Take 2-3 onion, or if you wanted to make more, you can take more. First of all, we are going to clean the onion. We're going to peel this way, and yeah, after that we will wash and clean the onion. Yeah, let's wash now. After washing, we are going to slice the onion first of all. Yeah, we'll slice like this. Yeah, if you wanted to make the slice thin, and then you can make it how much you wanted to make the thickness. It's according to you. You can make it very thin, or you can make it a little bit thicker, the slice. It's up to you. If it is more, like thin, the slice is, it's more easy to cook. Yeah, you're going to slice up all the onion like this. Yeah. Finish. Yeah, this you take besan. This is besan. You put it in a bowl, and in a bowl. If the onion is more, then you make this besan more. If it is less, then you put less. It's depend on how much you put the onion. I'm going to put here a little bit of chili powder. This is chili powder, and some turmeric, haldi powder, and salt, and some, yeah, if you wanted to add more, like like some kind of masala, you can take black pepper, white pepper, anything, and then you mixed evenly and put a little bit of soda. You can put normal soda, or you can put a baking soda, and you mix well like this, and you put water. You can put cold water here, and you mix well. It should not be so much thick, or it should not be so much like light. It should be even. Yeah, then this is hot pan. I'm putting oil here, and I'm going to fry over here, and you put the flame medium, otherwise it's gonna burn. Yes. Yeah, let's put the piyazi now. Yeah, make sure that it's not burn. If it is burn, it will become a little bit bitter. The taste will not be like good. So you should see the flame, otherwise it's gonna burn. Yeah, it's done like this. It should be a little bit golden brown, not too much, otherwise the taste is gonna be not good. And like this, I'm gonna fry all of this, and it's very good to have this with a tea, coffee, or any kind of cold drink, juice. Yeah. Yeah, pakora making is done, and now I'm making tea. And this is elaichi. I crushed it, and I'm gonna put milk powder. This is, yeah, I'm not going to add sugar here because I don't do tea with sugar. I prefer without sugar. And this is tea leaf. I'm going to add tea leaf. It's just simple. Tea leaf, milk powder, and some crushed elaichi. Yeah. I'm gonna make. Yeah, it's done now. Tea. Ta-da! This is done. I'm garnishing with pudina patta, pudina leaf. That this is from our garden. Yeah. This Piyazi Pokora. It's easy and simple. Only few ingredients is needed. It's so simple. You can just make it. Let's start eating.
It's good. Very good.
Pudina leaf.
Last piece. Yeah. Last. That is in Darlong we tell old clay, shekung. It's a clay tree. It looks like some kind of grape. No, not grape. I don't know. That's green one. Yeah. And like just to make those who do weaving, the Darlong people who weave, those women, they used to use Thukfung while weaving. Traditionally, they used to make from that tree.